Hello students, today we are going to start chapter first of science of class 7. This is our session first. Our chapter is nutrition in plants. First we are going to understand learning objective of this chapter. First point is nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition and replenishment of nutrients in the soil. Introduction. All living organisms, plants, animals, and microorganisms need energy to live and perform various life processes like digestion, excretion, etc. The energy required is obtained from food which they eat through the process of nutrition and respiration. Nutrition is derived from the word nutrients. First, we understand what is nutrient. Nutrient is a substance which an organism obtained from its surrounding. Substance which organism obtain from its surroundings to derive energy and materials for its growth and sustenance. Nutrition is the process of intake and utilization of nutrients by an organism. It means we eat food. In the food, many nutrients are present which give us energy, which we intake by food, and this energy utilization by us for our various life processes. Now next is modes of nutrition.
Now let's know about the mode of nutrition. There are two types of nutrition modes: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. But what are they? The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition, and these organisms called autotrophs. Green plants are the examples of autotrophs. The mode of nutrition in which animals and many other organisms take in ready-made food prepared by the plants is called heterotrophic, and these organisms are called heterotrophs. Human, lion, tiger, etc. are the examples of heterotrophs. As we know that green plants synthesize their own food. But do you also know that how they synthesize their own food? Actually, green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants synthesize their own food from the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and solar energy. Now you know that in plants, water, minerals, and carbon dioxide are raw materials for the synthesis of food. Do you also know that how do plants obtain these raw materials from the surroundings? And how do they transport them to the food factories of the plant? Water and dissolved minerals are absorbed directly from the soil through roots and sent to the leaves by the means of many small vessels present in the stem. These vessels run throughout the root, the stem, the branches, and the leaves. They form a continuous path or passage for water and minerals to reach the leaf. Likewise, carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny or small pores present on both surfaces of the leaves. Such pores are called stomata. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. After reaching to the leaf, carbon dioxide and water react in the presence of sunlight to form carbohydrate. The carbohydrate ultimately converted into the starch, which gets stored in the different parts of the plants. Therefore, the first food product is formed during the photosynthesis is starch. Starch is also an example of carbohydrate. In this process, oxygen is also released. Therefore, the process of photosynthesis can be represented as carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives carbohydrate plus oxygen. In the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water gives carbohydrate and oxygen releases in this process.
Green modes of nutrition. Green plants can produce their food themselves, whereas non-green plants and animals depend upon green plants and other animals for their food. On the basis of these, there are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is also called holophytic nutrition. The term autotrophs has been derived from two Greek words: auto means self and troph means nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the organism make its food itself from simple inorganic substance is called autotrophic nutrition or holophytic nutrition. This mode of nutrition is found in green plants. The organism mean green plants which make their own food from the simple substances present in the environment are called autotrophs or producers.